ever felt like giving up on your goals? Or have you in fact completely thrown in the towel? Well, listen up. You've been programmed to quit, and I'm going to prove it to you. Before you learn how to walk, you had to learn how to crawl. The majority of us went through this experience of learning how to walk. When we fell, we kept getting back up until walking was natural, easy, and today you don't even think about walking. You just do it. We were born to not quit. We were born with the ability to learn new skills, to learn the necessary motor skills we needed. Now, how did you learn to speak? How did I learn how to speak? It was by observation, by trial and error, until we could speak fluently. Your mind didn't say not once, this is too hard, this is too difficult. Those feelings, those thoughts didn't bombard your mind like they are bombarding your mind about other things you're trying to achieve. But today, many of us doubt we can rise from the ashes, as it were. We can improve ourselves, make our financial situation better, learn new skills, adapt, overcome. Instead, we tell ourselves a story over and over again. I can't, I'm not good enough, I'm not able, I have failed so many times. Who will listen to me? Who will like the content that I put out? I don't have the skills, I'm not good as the other person is. It's too hard, it's too difficult, I have no money. Look, walking wasn't easy when you think about it. It took time. Learning to speak was even more difficult. So let's say by the age of 7, you have a good grasp of the English language or whatever language you may speak. 7 years, and one could argue even then the average 7-year-old of course still has loads to learn. This is the point. You didn't quit because it didn't come to your mind to quit. The biggest factor, I believe, why you didn't quit is because no one discouraged you. No one said stop talking every time you tried to pronounce a word. No one said stop walking and pushed you down as you tried to walk again. Notice from the video how the more we encouraged our daughter to keep on, the more bold she became. Her confidence grew little by little. The feelings of failure that you are carrying are compounded by the negative story that you keep telling yourself or others are telling you. Know this, you have learned to think negative about yourself. So if you have learnt it, you can unlearn it. Therefore, you can learn to be positive and think differently. Will it be easy? Certainly not. But it is possible, because I believe success is not a destination, but cultivating a certain mindset. Think about it.